Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am at Hot Pot. You cook the food in front of you at your table. You have a grill and you have a stove in the restaurant. I don't know how to do voiceover, so look at the video. Let's get into it. Like, comment, and subscribe. This place is located in Orange Park and in Mandarin. You cook the food at your table. Bye. This food is raw. I'm going to cook it at the table. Different kind of seafood. Blue crabs. And they're going in the pot. Ooh. Did you get the wood? Other things that I had.